let's edit our blog landing page. This is the page that displays your blog posts in a grid layout for users to browse, typically featuring an image and the blog title, along with a date and a Read More button. Click Appearance and then Editor. Select Templates. In the Templates section, click the icon in the top right corner and select the Table View option. This view is helpful when managing multiple templates. Select and click on the blog homepage option. Open the list view to see the default WordPress blog layout. Let's delete this layout to make room for a MaxiBlocks blog pattern. Click the MaxiBlocks icon in the top bar. This opens the MaxiBlocks master toolbar. Select the library icon and then click the blog tab in the left-hand menu. Choose a design you like and click Insert. It will load at the bottom of the page. Use the arrows in the toolbar to move it above the footer. Our layout now features a fresh new design, showing the post categories. We have 12 posts in total, but we want to display 6 on the blog landing page instead of 3. To do this, select the row using the toolbar. Toggle open the right sidebar. Open the column picker option, the first one. Set the number of columns to 6. Click the icon showing 6 columns to activate it. Scroll to the bottom of the sidebar and select Enable Repeater. This will repeat any changes made in one column to all columns. You will notice that the rest of the columns now contain posts and the row tab has turned purple. Now, let's select the first column using the toolbar. In the column settings, set the column size to 33.3%. This will now display our 6 posts in 2 rows. Let's switch off the repeater to speed up editing. Our last column is missing a blog post. Let's fix this next. It's currently only showing posts from the category Chef's Specials. To show all posts, change this setting to get posts by date in the context loop settings. Since we have 12 posts, we need to enable pagination. This setting is also found in the context loop panel. Save your changes and preview them on the front end. Looks great.